Sea Expanse. Expedition 003. The Ocean's Living Lights. The astonishing world of bioluminescence. Imagine an ocean where every flash of light means something. A warning, a trap, a conversation, a love story, a desperate escape. Every night, the greatest light show on Earth begins, hidden beneath the waves. Welcome to a world where life creates its own stars. Welcome to Sea Expanse. Last expedition, we entered the midnight zone. Today, we discover why the darkness isn't truly dark. Because here, life learned to make its own light. What is bioluminescence? If you've ever seen lightning bugs glowing on a warm summer evening, you've already witnessed bioluminescence. But in the ocean, nature takes it to another level. Bioluminescence is light produced by living organisms through a chemical reaction. Unlike a light bulb, it creates almost no heat. Scientists sometimes call it cold light. It is remarkably efficient. Some marine animals can produce light with nearly 100% efficiency, something our most advanced technology still struggles to achieve. Down here, light isn't electricity, it's biology. Why create light? At first, glowing in complete darkness seems like a terrible idea. Wouldn't it make predators notice you? Sometimes. But evolution always finds another angle. Some animals glow to attract prey. Others glow to confuse predators. Some disappear by matching the faint light filtering down from above. Others flash signals to attract a mate. One adaptation, hundreds of different uses. In the deep ocean, light has become a language. The ocean becomes a galaxy. Imagine swimming through water where every movement leaves a trail of glowing blue. This isn't science fiction. It's caused by microscopic organisms called dinoflagellates. Normally invisible during the day, at night they transform entire coastlines. Every crashing wave, every swimming dolphin, every paddle stroke, every passing boat ignites brilliant blue light. It looks as though the ocean itself has become a river of stars. For countless people, witnessing this phenomenon is unforgettable. For the organisms, it's survival. The sudden flash can startle predators or attract even larger hunters that may attack whatever disturbs them. Sometimes, the smallest creatures create the biggest spectacle. Living rainbows. Drifting silently through the darkness is a creature so delicate it hardly seems real. The comb jelly. Rows of tiny hair-like structures ripple across its body. As they move, they scatter light into shimmering rainbows. Although many people mistake them for jellyfish, comb jellies belong to an entirely different group of animals. They have been drifting through Earth's oceans for hundreds of millions of years. Watching one move feels less like observing wildlife, and more like watching living glass. Fire beneath the sea, far from the tropical reefs, along the coast of Japan, lives one of the most famous glowing creatures on Earth, the Firefly Squid. Every spring, millions gather to spawn. The ocean suddenly fills with thousands of tiny blue lights. From above, it resembles an underwater constellation. Each flash comes from specialized light-producing organs scattered across the squid's body. Scientists believe these lights help the squid communicate, camouflage itself, and confuse predators. Nature rarely settles for one solution: the ocean's living lights. The fish with headlights. Our submersible glides silently through the darkness. Suddenly, two brilliant blue lights appear ahead. For a brief moment, it feels as though another submarine is approaching. But as the lights drift closer, a small silver fish emerges from the darkness. This is the flashlight fish. Beneath each eye is a pocket filled with glowing bacteria. Instead of producing light itself, the fish has formed a partnership with microscopic organisms that illuminate the darkness. The fish can hide or reveal these glowing organs by rotating a small flap of skin over them, like switching a flashlight on and off. Scientists believe these lights help flashlight fish communicate, remain together in schools, and search for food in complete darkness. Even in the deepest ocean, teamwork creates survival. The most successful fish you've never heard of. If someone asked you which fish is the most abundant vertebrate on Earth, most people would never guess the answer. The lanternfish. There are trillions of them. Every evening, billions of lanternfish begin one of the greatest migrations on Earth. They rise hundreds of meters toward the surface under the cover of darkness to feed. Before sunrise, they return to the safety of deeper water. This journey happens every single night. Together, lanternfish move more living biomass across the planet than perhaps any other vertebrate. Most people will never see one. Yet they quietly help feed whales, seals, squid, dolphins, and countless other predators. Sometimes, the most important animals are the ones we rarely notice. The invisible hunter. Last expedition, we met the dragonfish. Now we understand its greatest secret. Its body glows with tiny blue lights. But hidden beneath its eyes is something extraordinary. A red light. Most deep-sea animals cannot detect red wavelengths. To them, red is invisible. The dragonfish uses this hidden beam like a secret flashlight, quietly illuminating prey without revealing its own position. Imagine hunting in complete darkness, with night vision that nobody else possesses. Evolution didn't simply solve a problem. It rewrote the rules. The shark that disappears. Not every glowing animal shines brightly. Some glow, to vanish. The Cookiecutter Shark is only about the length of a human forearm. Its underside glows with hundreds of tiny light-producing organs. Seen from below, that glow blends almost perfectly with the faint light filtering down from the distant surface. This adaptation is called counter-illumination. Predators looking upward see nothing unusual. The shark simply disappears. Only one small dark patch remains beneath its throat. To curious fish, that shadow resembles a tiny fish. When they swim closer, the Cookiecutter Shark strikes. Sometimes, the best camouflage is becoming light itself. The longest animal on Earth. Imagine an animal longer than a blue whale. Not thicker, longer. Meet the giant Siphonophore. Some species may stretch more than 40 meters through the darkness. Longer than many school buses placed end to end. But here's the astonishing part. It isn't a single animal. It is a colony. Thousands of tiny specialized organisms work together so perfectly that they behave as one living creature. Some capture food. Others digest it. Others reproduce. Others propel the colony through the water. Together, they become one of the longest living organisms ever discovered. It is less like an individual, and more like a floating city. The greatest light show on Earth. As our expedition comes to an end, our submersible turns off its lights. Darkness returns. Then, tiny flashes begin. 1, 10, hundreds, thousands. Every direction glows. Blue sparks ripple through the water. Jellyfish pulse gently. Shrimp flash warnings. Fish communicate with invisible signals. Plankton shimmer like galaxies. For a few breathtaking moments, the ocean becomes indistinguishable from the night sky. Above us, stars. Below us, stars. Separated only by water. For thousands of years, humanity looked toward the heavens searching for wonder. Yet another universe has always existed beneath the waves. A universe where life learned to create its own light. Not through electricity, not through fire, but through evolution. Patient, ingenious, beautiful. Every glowing creature we encountered tells the same story. Even in complete darkness, life finds a way to shine. Our oceans still hold countless mysteries waiting to be discovered. Some may already be glowing quietly beneath the waves, waiting for the next expedition. If you enjoyed today's journey, please like this video, share it with another ocean explorer, subscribe to Sea Expanse, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new expedition. The ocean has shared one more of its secrets. Countless others are still waiting. Until our next expedition, keep exploring, and always dive deeper.